My channel, The World of Study with Pihu. I am telling you about in bio most weighted topic for NEET, also help in board, that is salivary gland. Let's begin. So firstly discuss about functional anatomy of mouth. Mouth is otherwise known as oral cavity or buccal cavity. It is formed by cheeks, lips and palate. It encloses the teeth, tongue and salivary glands. हमारे माउथ में teeth, tongue और salivary glands available होते हैं. Digestive juices present in the mouth is saliva which is secreted by the salivary glands. हमारे माउथ में जो सलाइवरी ग्लैंड प्रेजेंट होता है वो सलाइवा सिक्रीट करता है और सलाइवा में बहुत सारे डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस अवेलेबल होते हैं. फंक्शंस ऑफ माउथ. प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ माउथ इज ईटिंग एंड इट हैज़ few other important function also. Functions of mouth includes ingestion of food material. It means जो हम food take कर रहे हैं that is called ingestion. Chewing the food and mixing it with saliva. food को चबाना और saliva के साथ mix होना. Appreciation of taste of the food. food का taste मिलना. Transfer of food that is bolus to the esophagus by swallowing. Role in speech, social functions such as smiling and other expressions. Salivary glands. In humans, the salivary gland is secreted by 3 pairs of major salivary glands and some minor salivary glands. जो सलाइवा है वो 3 मेजर salivary glands से प्रोड्यूस होता है एंड कुछ माइनर सलाइवरी ग्लैंड से प्रोड्यूस होता है. तो मेजर सलाइवरी ग्लैंड्स आर ऑफ 3 टाइप्स. फर्स्ट इज पैरोटिड ग्लैंड्स, सेकेंड इज सब मैक्सिलरी ग्लैंड्स एंड थर्ड इज सबलिंगल ग्लैंड्स. पैरोटिड ग्लैंड्स. पैरोटिड ग्लैंड्स आर द लार्जेस्ट ऑफ ऑल सलाइवरी ग्लैंड्स situated at the side of the face just below and in front of the ear. Each gland weighs about 20 to 30 grams in adult. Submaxillary glands or submandibular glands are located in submaxillary triangle medial to mandible. Each gland weighs about 8 to 10 grams. Sublingual glands. Sublingual glands are the smallest salivary glands situated in the mucosa at the floor of the mouth. Each gland weighs about 2 to 3 grams. Minor salivary glands are of 5 types. Lingual mucus gland, lingual serous gland, buccal glands, labial glands, palatal glands. There are ducts of major salivary glands. Parotid glands have stension ducts. Submaxillary gland have Wharton ducts and sublingual glands are duct of Rivinus or Bartholin duct. Here is a diagram which represents the salivary glands in our mouth. Classification of salivary glands. Salivary glands are classified into 3 types based on the type of secretion. Serous gland. Serous glands are mainly made up of serous cells. जो serous gland होता है वो serous cells से मिलकर बना हुआ होता है. These glands secrete thin and watery saliva. ये glands पानी की तरह saliva को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. Parotid glands and lingual serous glands are the serous glands. Mucus glands. Mucus glands are mainly made up of mucus cells. Mucus gland mucus cells से मिलकर बना हुआ होता है. These glands secrete thick viscous saliva with high mucin content. Lingual mucus gland, buccal glands and palatal glands belong to this type. Mixed glands. Mixed glands are made up of both serous and mucus cells. Submandibular Sublingual and labial glands are the mixed glands. Properties of saliva: volume: 1000 ml to 1500 ml of saliva is secreted per day, and it is approximately about 1 milliliter per minute. Contribution by each major salivary gland is: parotid gland contribute 25%, submaxillary gland contribute 70%, sublingual glands contribute 5%. Reactions: mixed saliva from all the glands is slightly acidic with pH of 6.35 to 6.85. It means below the 7 acidic pH. Specific gravity: it ranges between 1.002 and 1.012. Tonicity: saliva is hypotonic to plasma. Here is a chart which represents water solids. Functions of saliva. Saliva have many functions. Saliva is a very essential digestive juices. Since it has many functions, its absence leads to many inconvenience. Preparation of food for swallowing, appreciation of taste, digestive functions, cleansing and protective function, role in speech, excretory functions, regulation of food, regulation of body temperature in dogs and cattle. Cattle means maveshi. Regulation of water balance. Here is the chart which represents the enzymes of saliva. Like salivary amylase, all the salivary glands acidic medium and convert starch into maltose. Maltase, major salivary glands acid medium convert maltose to glucose. Lingual lipase, lingual glands acid medium converts triglycerides of milk fat into fatty acid and diacylglycerol. Regulation of salivary secretion. Salivary secretion is regulated only by nervous mechanisms. Autonomic nervous system is involved in the regulation of salivary secretion. Nerve supply to salivary glands. Salivary glands are supplied by both parasympathetic and sympathetic divisions of autonomic nervous system. Parasympathetic fibers are available. Parasympathetic fibers to submandibular and sublingual glands. Parasympathetic fibers to submandibular and sublingual glands arise from the superior salivary nucleus situated in the pons region. Parasympathetic fiber to parotid glands. Parasympathetic fiber to parotid glands arise from inferior salivatory nucleus situated in the upper part of the medulla oblongata. Functions of parasympathetic fiber. Stimulation of parasympathetic fiber of salivary gland causes secretion of saliva with large quantity of water. Sympathetic fiber preganglionic fiber to salivary gland arise from the lateral horns of first and second thoracic segment of spinal cord. Functions of sympathetic fibers. Stimulation of sympathetic fibers causes secretion of saliva, which is thick and rich in organic constituents such as mucus. Mastication. Mastication or chewing is the first mechanical process in the gastrointestinal GI tract by which the food substances are torn or cut into small particles and crust. Significance of mastication. Breakdown of foodstuffs into smaller particles. Mixing of saliva with food substance thoroughly. Lubrication and moistening or dry food by saliva so that the bolus can be easily swallowed. Appreciation of taste of the food. Muscles and the movement of the mastications. Muscles of mastication: masseter muscle, temporal muscle, pterygoid muscle, buccinator muscle. Movement of mastication: opening and closure of mouth, rotational movement of jaw, protraction and retraction of jaw. Control of mastication: action of mastication is mostly a reflex process. It is carried out by voluntarily. Also, the center for mastication is situated in medulla and cerebral cortex. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching my channel. Please share, like, subscribe, and don't forget to press bell icon. Stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.